Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class. Today we are going to learn a new poem. The name of the poem is The Last Bargain. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. So this poem is about a bargain. So do you know what is meant by bargain? So bargain means a bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. So bargain means two parties are agreeing to do. They both are agreeing to do something in return. Okay, both parties promise to do something for each other. Here someone is looking for work. In this poem someone is looking for work, waiting to be hired. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. He tries twice again but doesn't like either. Finally, in the last bargain, when he is hired for nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. What is a bargain and why is it best? So you can see the picture there. So that is about that a worker. So a worker is trying to get hired. He is searching for a work. He was searching for his employer. Then he kept a bargain there, but he didn't get that one. That means he didn't think it's good. He didn't like that one. Again he asked three more members. He asked, they all accepted, but he thought the bargain what they said, that is not that much interesting, that much desirable. He thought like that, and finally he got a bargain. So what was that bargain and why it is the best bargain, why he accept that bargain, that we are going to check in this poem. So let's start the poem. Ready? So look the poem. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning I was walking on this stone-paved road. So somebody is hiring. There's a come and hire me. Somebody is shouting there, calling loudly, come and hire me. I was walking on the stone-paved road. So the man, he was walking on the stone-paved road. Stone-paved road means a road is made with stones. A road is made with stones. You can see in this picture, the road is made with stones. Look how it is there. This is a stone-paved road. So he's walking and calling, come and hire me. Sword in hand, the king came. So the king came and king saying that I will hire you with my might. Might here means power. In his chariot. The king is in his chariot. Chariot. You can see the chariot. Horse-ridden chariot. So he was calling out for hiring, and the king came and king said, king what he has his sword in hand, and he said, he held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. So he thought the power is naught means zero, nothing. So he thought the power is, he doesn't want that power. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shadows. So it is a midday, so hot is there. So all the doors, houses are closed the doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. Crooked means not in a straight line. An old man came out with his bag of gold. An old man came with bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He thought some time and said, I will hire you with my money. An old man came with gold and he said, yes, I have a lot of money and I am hiring you. I am taking you to do the work. I will give you the money. Then what happened there? So you can see this picture, the gold man and the gold bag and the money he has in his hand. He is asking to come. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. So the old man said, I will hire you, I will take you to do the job and I will give you the money. He counted the money, he counted the coins, but the worker, the man, he turned away. Now we can check what happened there. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Hedge means you can see the border, that green border. That is called hedge. So a flower means it is almost flowered. Lot of flower is there. So a maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. You can see, I will hire you with a smile. A beautiful lady came out and she said, okay, I will hire you with my smile. But what happened next there? Did he accept that one? We can check. No. What happened there? Her smile paled and melted into tears. Paled means become light. And she went back alone into the dark. She smiled very well, but that also not a good smile. So it become again that happiness become into sadness, change into sadness. So she went back alone into the darkness. The sun glistened. Glistened means glittered on the sand, and the sea waves broke waywardly. So sea waves are there. A child started playing with the shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. I'm going to hire you without anything. I'm hiring you with nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing, so I'm hiring you. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. So what happened there? Finally, he reached the seashore, and there a child was playing in the sand, and the boy said, I'm going to hire you. I will hire you for nothing. I will not give you anything. I will not give anything to you, but I'm hiring you. Then he thought, it is a good one, so I'll be free. He will be free. So this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. First the king asked him. King has the power. He doesn't like the power. Then the man has money. He said he doesn't like money. The lady showing that smile, then that also he doesn't like. And finally the boy came. Boy has nothing, but what is there? Freedom will be there. He thought the freedom is better than anything. So not to be slave. The desire of the freedom is better than the wealth, power, and love. So that's all there in the poem. So we can check the questions in the next video. And after that, do you know what is the message in this poem? The message in this poem is that the worker is thinking that the person who needs the work, he thinks that the desire of freedom is better than anything. We need the freedom to do that one. He doesn't want to be slave. He doesn't want to be slave. If the king takes him with the power, what will happen? He wanted to do whatever the king say. If he accept the person, that old man say, with money, he will give the money, but this worker have to do a lot of things in return. So that also he doesn't like. But because of this small kid, he won't give anything. Instead, he will give the happiness. It will give him happiness. So I hope you understood the poem. It's very interesting. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you again later.